Creating a client process that's smooth and scalable is essential for growing your business without running into bottlenecks. If you're struggling with disorganized workflows or inefficient systems, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a process that not only feels effortless, but can grow with your business. The first step to a smooth and scalable client process is standardization. You want every client to experience the same high-quality service, no matter what stage they're at. Start by mapping out your current workflow, from the first point of contact with a client, through the onboarding process, to the delivery of your services. Identify any friction points or delays in communication. If it takes you longer than you'd like to respond to client inquiries, or if follow-up tasks get missed, it's time to create an automated system that removes human error. Next, streamline client communication. Instead of relying on scattered emails or messages, use software that centralizes all your client interactions in one place. This means you won't lose track of important conversations or details, and you'll ensure that clients receive timely updates. In fact, automating reminders, check-ins, and updates can cut down on time spent managing relationships, giving you more time to focus on actually delivering value. Now, scalability is key. A client process that works for 10 clients might not be as effective for 100. To make your process scalable, incorporate tools that allow for easy delegation and automation. If you're using spreadsheets or paper systems, that's going to hold you back as your business grows. The software we're using today can handle client data, task management, and even invoicing without needing additional staff or resources. Automating routine tasks will keep things running smoothly as your client base expands. Another tip to improve scalability is to create templates for repetitive tasks. From email responses to proposals, standardize the documents and communications you use with clients. This ensures that every interaction is consistent, while also reducing the time it takes to complete each step of the process. Don't forget about feedback loops. As you scale your client process, it's essential to gather feedback from your clients regularly, whether through surveys, follow-up emails, or quick check-ins. Always be asking how you can improve. This feedback will allow you to refine your process and ensure it stays smooth and effective as your client base grows. So, what's the key takeaway here? To create a client process that's smooth and scalable, you need to standardize workflows, centralize communication, automate routine tasks, and keep refining your process with feedback. These 4 steps will make your business more efficient, save time, and ensure you deliver the same great service no matter how many clients you have. Before we close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. It's only available through the link in the description below. Check it out and follow along for the best client management experience possible. To recap, standardize your processes, streamline communication, automate tasks, and refine with feedback. This will make your client process smooth and scalable, allowing you to grow without sacrificing quality. Thanks for watching.